Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over how to set up your email notifications in Office Tracker. This is how you will be able to send out notifications to your users and reminders to your contacts as well as your users. You're going to need to log into your Office Tracker Server Administrator and then come over here on the left under Server Properties and click on Email Notifications. This is where you will enter all of your email requirements here. So the first thing you're going to need to enter is the email host server. For Gmail, it is smtp.gmail.com. In the second field, you're going to fill in the email address that you want the notifications and reminder to come from. It's who it's going to show coming from. Reminder subject, you can type whatever you would like here. That's just going to be the default subject line on your reminders. Next, you have the option to select the port your email host server requires. For Gmail, we can leave it as default, but if you have something else that you need to set it as, you can hit Other, and you can enter the port number there. I'm going to leave mine as default. If your email host server requires authentication, check this box right here. And if it is an SSL required, you need to check this over here. Enter your username, which is also your email address for Gmail, and your Gmail password. The other option on here is the administrator updates and alerts. If you would like to send alerts to the administrator, like the server shut down unexpectedly, the admin password was changed, a backup failed, any type of alerts that the server might send, you could check that here and enter the email address that you would like those to automatically be sent to. Once you have set all this stuff up, you hit Update Settings. Are you sure you want to make your changes? Yes. And it will notify you right here in orange if it was updated, or if your password was incorrect, or if any type of error occurred when you were setting this up. If you have something incorrect, it would notify you right here in orange at the bottom. Now, to set up an email address for a user, come up here in the names list, show your names list, and these are the people I have set up. So let's look at Dr. Brown. This is where you set up the email address for that user. It's right here. So if I was to set up an event for Dr. Brown, it would automatically, as long as I have it set to, it would automatically send a notification to Dr. Brown to this email address saying you have an event, and it would say the date and time and everything of that event on this specific. Okay, next we're going to go over how to turn on the default notifications, as well as how to set up email addresses for your contacts for them to receive reminders. To set up your notifications to automatically send out, you go up here. I'm on the web client right now. It may look a little different in the desktop, but it's under the day. You have View and Default Options. If you're on the week or the month or the planner view, it's going to say week, month, or planner up here. So you click on View and Default Options, and here is where you will be able to select that you want it to always send a notification. Okay, so you click on Default, and the box is right here. Create notifications when group events are created, edited, or deleted. So anytime you create, edit, or delete an event that has somebody other than just yourself in that event, it will automatically send a notification to that person. Now, you can choose to send it as an internal notification, which would pop up on their screen, or as an email. Or you could also send it with the attachment where it automatically will send it to their Outlook, sync up with their Outlook calendar. Okay, so once you have selected that, you would hit OK. And now any events that you create with somebody else's name in it, a contact or a user, it will send them a notification.